anti-piracy countermeasures.
The Malacca Singapore Straits is known as the most congested and confined waters in the world. Due to the traffic situation and geographical environment, the ship suffers from the threat of pirates during passage of the channel. In order to protect the crew and ship against the threat, the ship's master must take measures such as enhancement of navigation watch in the channel. The following measures must be taken. Assign additional crew to look out in the bridge wing. Each personnel must carry a transceiver for instant communication with the bridge duty. Ensure that the entrance door to the upper deck is locked up. Conduct water spray at sea during nighttime from the upper deck handrail at both sides of the accommodation and also from the after end of poop deck to impede pirates from approaching the ship. A portable projection light called jack light is provided in every ship to detect suspicious boats in sight and also to warn the pirates. This light is strong enough to search for objects in the dark.